This is going surprisingly smoothly.
What the molt is that?
The Wolf Piranha Snake Shark Tarantula Protection System.
Huh. I haven't seen a case like this in years.
This was not supposed to happen.
What?
Don't you worry. You're in good hands.
Bruh.
Anesthetic, anesthetic, anesthetic.
Initiating Whoopist Override Protocol. Get it, Queen?
5, 10, 15.
Bruh.
Did it work?
Just give me 5 minutes.
Please join me in welcoming to the stage.
We don't have 5 minutes.
Not letting me in.
Check your system preferences.
You probably need to download a driver.
Try rebooting.
Oh my gosh, you fixed it.
Really?
Now!
Hey, Larry, come on, open up.
Yeah!
Oh, no. Shark, I got a situation here.
Copy that. I'm on my way.
Time to turn this baby on beast mode. Eat it! What best? Piranha! Are you kidding me?
Too much shine in the water.
Starting to get mad here, Larry.
Excuse me? Is this the ladies' room?
Oh, you need to take a right at the end of the hall, ma'am.
Yes! What bam?
It's my honor to award Professor Marmalade with the Golden Dolphin.
No.
Yes!
I mean, yes!
What?
Yeah!